Hello students, today we start a new topic, quality control in a construction quality management chapter. Now quality control as a essential the activity and technique employed to achieve the maintain the quality of the product, the process or a service is a one type of the quality control, and we got the output with better result, better product. So the better definition of a quality control could be it is the set of technique and activity done collectively by a team or a group which lead to safe manufacture of such a product that satisfy the specification. So here in a quality product all the specific criteria is satisfied, and all the product is done as per the given specification, so is known as a quality control. So according to ISO, quality control is defined as the set of activity or technique whose purpose is to ensure that all the requirements are being met, and there are the three major quality control method of the construction project. So here main three method in a construction for a quality control. First one is a inspection, second is a sampling, and third one is a testing. So here inspection we done at the time of the construction. Second is a sampling, when we material purchase or receive on a site, so we take a sample, and sample is as per the standard specification or not, or a sample quality is very well good or not, so we check and then after approve. So at the end of the product we got the satisfying product. And third one is a testing. So testing is after completion of the work we test on a particular part, like we construct a M20 grade concrete slab. So we at the time of the concreting work we test the particular concrete, like manufactured concrete is M20 grade or not. So if the M20 grade concrete is very well we manufacture or not, so we check in a testing part. Now sampling and testing of the material like aggregate, lime, concrete, cement, brick, etc. is required for checking whether the specifications are being met or not. Now second topic we start is a quality assurance. So ISO define the quality assurance as a set of the activity whose purpose is to demonstrate that a product or material meets all the quality requirement. So like QA is a quality assurance product confidence among the customer and official of a company. Now all the companies good quality management system, and same here in a construction industries also quality assurance is given. So quality assurance is to establish a procedure to define, develop and establish quality standard for design, construction and operational stage, and establish a procedure to monitor, test, inspection, measure and perform activity to ensure compliance with established quality standard with regard to construction material, method and personnel. And define the administrative procedure and requirements, organization, relationship and responsibility, communication and information patterns, and other management functions required to execute, document and assurance attainment of established quality standard. So here it should be remembered that quality assurance and quality control are along together different. Quality assurance is a construction management process, where quality control is a sampling or inspection process. So QA and QC both are different. QA is a quality assurance, is a one type of the management process, and QC is a quality control, is one type of the sampling or inspection process. Now TQM. So what is TQM? Another topic we start is a TQM. TQM is a total quality management. So Auckland in a 1995 defined TQM as a TQM is a way of planning, organizing and understanding each activity that depends upon each individual at each level. So TQM is a complete management philosophy that penetrates every aspect of a company and consider the quality as a strategic issue. Now TQM is achieved through integrated effort of all the individual company of the to increase the customer satisfaction. So the philosophy of the TQM is constructive and not destructive. It is the philosophy of a prevention rather than the search of a defect. TQM is a way of thinking about a goal, organization, process, and people to ensure that the right thing are done right from beginning. So here, essential elements of the total quality management is a commitment of management, second is a leadership, third one is a teamwork, fourth one is a statistical method, fifth one is a cost of quality, and sixth one is a supplier involvement. So these are the different essential elements of a total quality management. And for a TQM for a construction project, for a construction company will result in a higher customer satisfaction, better quality product and a higher market share. So it is difficult to adopt TQM for a construction project because the some of the reason is there. TQM is not in a construction company. So like reason is lack of teamwork, second is a poor communication, and third one is a inadequate planning and scheduling. Because in a construction companies there are the number of the people is work for a particular to complete the task, and all the worker are not done as per the standard policy given by the company, and teamwork is not properly done. So here TQM is not properly satisfied. Now second is a poor communication. Because of the large project, communication is not properly done between the two person or two higher authority. So due to this poor communication, TQM is not for the higher large construction company, and planning and scheduling is not done as per the given by the planning and scheduling is not done in a construction company, because all the work is not completed on a time or before the time. Now next is the quality gurus and their technique. So here Juran, Deming and Crosby are some of the world famous expert in the field of quality. So all of these three experts have proposed their own idea for the quality control. Now first discuss the quality guru ideas, Joseph Juran. So here Juran developed a idea of quality trilogy: quality planning, quality control and quality improvement. So Juran emphasized that the necessity of involvement of all for achieving the quality, that should be commitment for all the levels of management. He gave the attention to not only the end of the customer but identified the external and internal customer as well. So here following works are completed in a planning for a quality. So here list is given. First is establishing the goal and identify internal and customers. Second is the identification of need of both the external and internal customer, and translating this into deliverable and understandable by the organization and its supplier. Third one is developing the product and service according to the need of the customer. Fourth one is developing the process capable of producing the product or service, and fifth one is putting the plan into execution. Now, control of quality part consists of deciding the variable for control and means to measure this variable, settling goals for a control, and measuring actual performance, and comparing the actual performance with the goal of the planning. And fifth one is acting on a different difference between the actual performance and performance goal. So these are the control of quality part. Next is the improvement action are to attain the performance that is higher than the current performance, and to identify various improvement measure and adopt effective problem and problem solving method, and including the solution of the problem in a quality planning process, and implement the same. Now here Juran is also known as his triple role concept. So here first is the owner, and owner, supplier, process of operation, and customer. So requirement is the engineer or architect, and customer, process of design, and supplier. And this engineer architect contact with a contractor, supplier, process of construction, and customer. And facility is given, all the facility is given by the owner. Now next expert, damming. uh, Damming modify the plan do check act cycle organization by Seward. He named it as a PDSA, plan do study and act cycle. So PDSA cycle, known as a damming cycle, is now used for a problem solving method. So in a PDSA cycle, first step is to plan out the project, then the execution is the next step. Then after, in a third step, result of the plan during the execution are studied, and whether the execution is as per the planning or not, that is decided in a four stage. Result are the check out by the actually identify what we went as per the plan, and what did not follow as per the plan. So here damming PDSA cycle is given. So first is a plan is prepared, then after do implement the plan on a small scale. Third one is a study and verify result of the plan, and fourth one is a act take a corrective action, standardize, and lead the forward for the next plan. Now next is Philip Crosby is another third expert. So for essential element of the quality management according to Crosby are under. So quality is conformance with a requirement, prevention of conforms is objective not appraisal, and third one is the performance standard is zero defect not that close enough, and management of the quality is the cost of non-conformance. And Philip Crosby is well known for his concept do it right first time and zero defect, and Crosby delivered that why not to produce the right in the beginning only, it would be costly product, then defect and correct them later. And from the concept of the Philip Crosby, it is very much clear that the planning must be given extreme care. Now here in a next lecture we discuss about the cost of the quality. We stop here lecture. Thank you.